In our activity, we're going to take a look at density and mass and volume and kind of see the relationship between the two. So you've got a link here in your address to the announcement. You have a link. So go ahead and click it and it'll take you there. It will take you straight to this page. Right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to just kind of look between different materials and see the relationship. So let's look at our instructions. It says choose gold, drop it in the water, and get a reading of the milliliters. That's going to be your density. And then we're going to drag it out of the water, place it on the scale, and get a weight. If we know our density and we know our weight, then we can use our formula sheet, which is also linked in this announcement, and we can get that information. In our case, we're trying to find volume, so we need to get mass and divide it by our density values. So let's take a look at an example here. When you first get here, you want to hit reset and just make sure it's at the beginning. Let's go ahead and click gold. And we move up to 27.6. That's going to be our density. So 27.6 is our density. We can write that down. Now we're going to click the gold and we're going to drag it out of here and plop it on the scale. And there is our mass. So 40.53. And then what we'll do is we'll look at our formulas here. And we're trying to find volume. So we know our mass is what's on the scale. And then we know our density was what we got from the water levels in the beaker. So we can do our calculations. We're going to take the rest of our materials and we're going to repeat the process. And we'll write those down and we can kind of record them in our notes. Would be the best place for it. And we'll go back over those when we get back in class.